We're heading out to the mall nearby to do a bit of shopping and all that. We are walking to the mall, so we were just chatting. I was accompanied by my family, so we were just walking to the place. It is pretty nearby. Huh? Really? This is the entrance of the mall. It looked pretty interesting.
Yeah, there's a lot more people. That's true.
They have like party games. What is that? To go to the jungle.
As soon as we entered, Pattu noticed that there was some book sale going on. We checked out the books, but I didn't think we bought. As soon as we entered, Pattu noticed that there was some book sale going on. We checked out the books, but I didn't think we bought anything. And we went to the supermarket. I understand it's the Fatima supermarket inside the Sobha City Mall. We purchased a couple of grocery items and some cosmetics and even some steelware and all that.
There.
Later, we walked around the mall a little bit, just checking out some shops, and I think we shopped for some clothes also. We bought some clothes from here. They had some pretty good designs and pretty good shops there. And this was an amazing bookstore. I think Pattu bought some books and other things. You can hear my mother-in-law's Dylan's mom sound in the background. We were chatting non-stop, so you could hear her voice in the background. We were just discussing about books and children.
Oh, ഇവിടെ rush ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? Yeah, you want to try out something? What is there or something?
Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So, food.
Maggie.
Okay. Yeah. Heading back home after the shopping at Sobha Mall. So this was our first visit to the place. It was good. It was pretty interesting trip. So yeah, that's how the visit turned out to be.